Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you own or have edit access to both sheets. This prevents permission errors later. Once signed in, note the source and destination sheet ID and ranges so you can map data precisely. Next, enable the Google Sheets API in the Google Cloud Console and create credentials, either OAuth for user flows or a service account for automation. Make sure to download the JSON key if using a service account. You'll need it to authenticate the connection. Now you authenticate. Use OAuth consent for interactive apps or load the service account JSON for server scripts. Once authenticated, test reading the source sheet to confirm the API returns rows and headers. Preview the data so you can map columns accurately. Once done, match names, formats, and types, transform dates, numbers, and check for empty cells. Make sure to implement retries for rate limits and handle large ranges with pagination or batch reads, so the transfer remains reliable and fast. To finish, write to the destination sheet using batch update or spreadsheets. Values: append to minimize API calls. After writing, verify by comparing row counts and spot-checking key values and headers so the data aligns. If formatting matters, apply number and date formats after the write. If something goes wrong, check permissions and OAuth scopes first, refresh or recreate tokens, and confirm the API is enabled, and billing is set if you exceed free limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.